How you guys doing? Eric here. Today is Saturday, February 18th. It's February 17th, 2018. And yeah, I'm on my way up to Nederland to catch the shuttle to Eldora. And yeah, it's fucking windy, like I said in yesterday's video. They had a high wind warning for the whole entire weekend, and when they have a high wind warning around here, man, they don't fuck around, man. Hi, Captain, I'm trying to hold her steady, but the wind is blowing me all over the road. Woohoo! Go with some ground blizzard, whiteout conditions, and it gets real icy. In the corner towards Car Wreck Alley, I like to call this section. Look at that sunrise. Beautiful. Right, rolling through Nederland this morning on the south side of town, heading towards the middle of town, down 1st Street. Woo, look at that sunrise. Little tour of 1st Street on Nederland for you this morning. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. Fuck this stop sign. That stop sign is strictly optional. I didn't see the time, but I usually roll in here right before 7 o'clock. And I have to wait 15 minutes for the fucking van to leave. Alright, here we are. This is where we catch our shuttle in the morning to the teen center here in Ned. We're looking right at the skate park there. Rolling in the shuttle van, heading towards the Shelf Road. It's gonna be insane, man.
They're like, please come eat this. When you come in, you're just like, hey. Yeah, you're like, oh, exactly. And I just walk over and get a big old bowl and just go to town. Hey, I'm gonna eat like a server.
The ladies probably. RTD.
You need to bring dogs back to the crew. Like, I would never do that.
Yeah, they have like those little parachutes that are open and they're like skiing.
Yeah.
And then they can like drop off of like the cliff, like, and then like land and that's like
Flying squirrel suit.
No, it's like next level shit. That's like
Oh, it ain't too bad here. This ain't bad at all.
a little less.
Whoa!
My life is back here. My life is back here.
For real, that was sketchy.
Hey, if anyone's got their helmet, please put it on.
Hey, but seriously though, not cool.
This ain't too bad.
Max 20.
Whoa! Hey! Here we are at the top of the Alpenglow lift this morning. It's a little breezy up here. Not quite as bad as I thought it was going to be though. Heading down to IP. Doing a service ride this morning on the Indian Peaks lift, and it's not quite as bad as I thought it was going to be. So hopefully we won't be have too bad of a day back here. Parking lot's filling up. Here we are at the windy section. See, it's Not too bad for here at Eldora, really. So far, I haven't seen anything that's average. It's a little breezy. Look at that ramp work, man. That is dope. Beautiful work, man.
Yeah, I'm saying, I like when this ramp is on.
Oh yeah, up here at the top of Indian Peaks now. I'm very chilled out. Top of the lift this morning. It's pretty nice, man, if compared to what we were expecting on the winds. It's a little bit overhyped, I think, but it could pick up later. You never know. Yeah, it's pretty chill compared to Corona, man. This lift, it's a lot easier on the weekends, for sure. You see down there between towers 16 and 15, which is like 2 towers down. We're getting some pretty good chair swing because the wind is whipping across.
10 foot for 6101.
And it's my job to keep an eye on that. If I see that it's getting too close to the tower, the wood chairs are just getting crazy. Ooh, there was a good crash down there I just saw. Man, no. But I gotta, if I think it's getting to be dangerous, I gotta slow the lift down and call it in. So I'm gonna go outside and take a look and do some ramp work. Oh yeah, it looks like everybody's having a good time at Eldora today. A couple of beautiful clouds in the sky. Sun is shining. The wind's not the horrible factor that we thought it was going to be. And so yeah, it's not too bad. Always a casual day over here at the Indian Peaks lift on this President's Day weekend. It's been incredible. It's been amazing. I've been loving it. Check out that board, man. Shining in the sun. She's a beauty. It's a little choppy in the forest today, but the wind keeps blowing in some nice little fresh coating. It's pretty nice. Whoa, it's tough to ride with a camera in my hand. Lots of folks out here on the main trail. Oh yeah, very nice. That was a nice run I just had, man. It was really nice, and then the wind blown snow in the trees, and right here down the lower lift line, man, it was sweet, man. Really nice. Got a burrito going. I'm not hungry right now though. I'll have to wait till later. President's Day weekend. I'm gonna be here at Eldora all weekend long, skiing in jeans. It's gonna be fabulous. I'm gonna be skiing around all the lift shacks, and I'm gonna be firing people. You fired. It's gonna be huge. It's gonna be so huge. It's gonna be the greatest weekend ever. Man, we went from a high wind warning to a really nice spring-like day up here today on this Saturday of President's Day weekend. Pretty nice and quiet, and just a lovely day here at Indian Peaks. I'm loving it. Yeah, this bench here at the top of IP, it's so nice, and it was built for goofy footed riders like me. So nice for strapping into your board.
God damn it, Dylan! I told you to wear your purity ring when you're working down here, for fuck's sakes! I'm a slut though. If you're not wearing your purity ring, that makes me look bad! Oh, you think it's funny, huh?
See all this ice I had to chip out of here today? From there all the way to there. Chipped out that whole curb. It's a lot of work. People would look at it and not realize how much work it is, man. I gotta tell you though. They keep your pick hand strong. Look at this full work, man. This guy, he holds up a shovel pretty well.
6.09, 6.06.
Lifty battle to the death. Now God damn it! You guys quit fucking around! That's how people get their fucking eyeballs poked out! Hey, what's up, man? It's Steezy McSwagmuch. He's the coolest dude at Eldora.